Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI medium platform, which is Bluedot. So to get started, Bluedot is an AI-powered meeting notes tools that work through a browser extension without needing bots or calendar access. It records your meeting, especially on Google Meet, then auto-generate accurate transcript, highlight, and action point. The summaries are clean, privacy-friendly, and easy to share. It also includes an AI chat features that lets you ask questions like, "What did Cyril say about deadline?" making it workflow simple and fast. The main drawback is that it works best with Google Meet, while Zoom and Teams support is still limited. It also lacks mobile or desktop app, and the free plan only allows 5 meetings before you need to upgrade. And here's the very conclusion. Bluedot is worth it for professionals using Google Meet who want a clean but free AI node, but may not be best choice if you use other platform or want a full featured across meeting analytics. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.